Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past few days broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Been doing this analysis on a very routine basis, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. As a friendly reminder, Bitcoin is open 24/7, so if you're watching this video 15, 20 hours from now, then yeah, the chart's going to look a little bit different for you. But my goal here is to keep this video relevant as long as possible, and I'm going to accomplish that by talking about general levels and then walking you through some questions, and based on how you answer those questions, that'll keep the chart relevant for as long as possible. The big thing that happened over the weekend is that the price broke down below this green line here at 9,600. So the first update comes about just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance, and that is exactly what's been playing out here. So the price fell below it, and then over the past several hours, the price has tried to get back above 9,600. It's just not been able to do that. And that all brings about, the first question to ask yourself. So let's just say you're watching this video 15 hours after I've uploaded it. Question number one, nothing fancy, just simply, where's the price at relative to 9,600? If you're answering the question that the price is still down below it, well, then that essentially means no upwards progress has been made since the recording of this video. Now, if you're answering the question that the price is up above it, the next immediate question you would want to ask yourself about is, okay, well, where's the price at relative to that purple line right there, which on my chart is denoting the 50-period moving average. And going back through the history of things, you can see has now been starting to act as resistance a couple of times right there, and then a time right there. So I'm not saying the price can't break above that level or anything like that. I'm just saying that is going to be the next immediate level that you're going to want to turn your attention to. I mean, even look back here, because there is a very big track record now here over the past couple of weeks of that area acting as resistance. So, but as of right now, that purple line totally irrelevant until the price can at least get up above the 9,600 mark. Now, if you were answering the question that the price is down below 9,600, well, then at that point, the next question you would want to immediately ask yourself is, okay, well, where's the price at relative to the green line down there? And that is valued at 9,000. If you are answering the price or the question that the price is now below 9,000, well, then at that point, that's where little gut instincts, common sense comes into play. Let me scrunch up the chart a little bit to illustrate why, because it's been a long time since the price has been down around here. But as far as common sense is concerned, meaning if you're saying, well, Clay, the price is, slightly below it. Okay, don't get me wrong. That's not a good thing, but that would be much different than saying, well, the price is all the way down there at 8,000. That would be telling you that things have really taken a turn for the worse. So like I said, if you are answering the question that the price is below 9,000, you just let a little common sense, gut instincts kind of guide you just that, how bad the break actually is. But as of right now, the bears definitely won out over the weekend, and now it's all about this $9,000 level and seeing if the bulls can hold strong down there or not. So we'll see what happens over the next 24 hours until I'm back to update it again. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.